Hey, good evening. Bob, Trade Genius here. I want to show you the chart of ES. And so on Monday, we had that big rip after Friday. And then going into Tuesday, and they sold it down and it broke the support here and it bought back in. And so this was a head fake. And it came back up. And then it rolled over again and head faked it. And actually, this head fake actually caught me leaning short, and it came back in again. And then this time, it didn't even screw around. They lifted it right up to this new price level right here. And if you notice, here's a dip to buy, and then here was a dip to buy, and I just pretty much got blown up because it happened after I went to sleep. And I wasn't trading futures, so I was trading on a Nadex position, so risk was pretty defined. And then it just ripped up through, and then it actually broke out and up, and it made a new monthly high here. So now this you got to look at now as support, and that same support is at the top of the value area right here. And now we're looking at least in my view, a touch of 28.35 area here. And then the next level here is a fib line that that is at the 28.54 area, and then also this is 3 standard deviation to the monthly number at 25.58. My one of my trading partners says we got SPX gaps to fill at 28.80 area. So he's pretty bullish on a move to actually blow through there. And the way we've been operating this week is, every day so far this quad witch has been up. And usually Monday, Tuesday up, Wednesday, Thursday down, Friday flat. Now it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up and up big. So somebody's in a hurry to get this somewhere. You can't fight the tape. And it looks like we put a little mini dip buy in right here. This time we were all a little smarter and we bought right here, and then we're going to see if we get paid on it. So far we're nice and profitable in this area, and we'll just see if we can extend it. But if it breaks below 28.15, then probably this move is probably ending. But until it does that, and this trend just stays intact, just pretty amazing. And what's interesting here is that, we had news, but look what the money flow was right when we got the news. They grounded the planes, and Trump talked about trade, and all it was a big head fake. And then, but right where money flow here, so this was a nice trade to take just intraday short. This was worth about, 10, 12 points. So it's just amazing how the news always fits when the market needs to do some work one direction or the other. Now we're just looking forward to come back up and come back up higher, and it looks like it's going to do it. So just have to keep an eye. But definitely, if it breaks this 28.26 area, it's definitely going to make. And it's clear air. There's nothing here. I mean, you got to go back. You got to go back. Quite a bit of time. Let's take a peek. Go back on the daily on this, and. When's the last time we were in this range? Right here, 28.26. We have to go all the way back to 10.15. 10. What day is that here? 10.10. Could go all the way back to 10.10 when we last visited this area. It's just amazing to me. So it's on a mission, and that's kind of where it's heading. So we're just gonna have to keep an eye on it. Look, here's another thing here, 28.32. I think this is going to stop it. There's too many areas that are coming together right in here. When I mean stop it, I mean probably for overnight action. And VIX is getting killed tonight. A lot of room for ammo for the yen to do its work. And gold's up again, and which is pretty amazing. I think the whole world is recalculating Fed doing nothing, and maybe even starting to lower interest rates. There's definitely a repricing happening right now. But anywho, that's kind of where we are, and we're just going to keep an eye on it. But it looks like they're going to try to push it through. Here's the hit the annual top of the value range, and then now looking here, it's just clear ear. I drew this out some time ago, and this is a low value area, and I think that's everybody's kind of targeting right here. I bet that's probably where we're gonna head. So don't fight the Fed, don't fight the tape. See if we can make some money long here on this thing, and then reevaluate. Have a great day. Bye bye.